So yeah, this is a fungus I haven't actually seen on the creek before. You can see that it's a mushroom shaped one. It's got a cap and a stem, and if you look underneath, it's actually got some glorious, quite close skills. So yeah, I'm going to pull this one out to show you and talk about it a little bit. But the fungi are wonderfully diverse. They're actually one of the largest kingdoms in the world. Animal and fungi are the two largest, most species rich kingdoms. But we know a lot more about animals than we do fungi. So it's really important, if you can, to actually start recording them. So this, again, we've got some lovely mycelium that was holding the soil. If people are a little bit concerned that I'm picking this mushroom, just think of it as picking apples from an apple tree. So you don't hurt the tree by picking the apple. But if I disturbed all of the mycelium here, that would be what damaged the fungi. But yeah, beautiful cap with these cracks in it. That really helps. So this is in a genus that I think is Lepiota. Several of the Australian Lepiotas don't have names yet. But you can actually help the fungi by taking, if you took several photos of this and posted it on the app iNaturalist and the Fungi Map project, there are actually other mycologists in Australia who will help identify it. And this app has a wonderful identification algorithm. So even if you don't know what the fungus is, it will actually make a guess, and then other people will check it. And most importantly, we need data from wonderful revegetation plantings like this one to know that we're actually being successful in restoration and that some of the diversity is actually coming back. This is a really cute Lepiota. As I say, I've never seen this along the Merri Creek before. The reason we actually came over was we saw one of these native cherry chips that I was talking about before in a much more natural setting. So this is what cherry chips would have looked like before humans really put a lot of mulch around. It's here, the mycelium is binding this leaf litter together, holding the bank, still doing that nutrient recycling, but in a much more natural habitat. And so this is a great sign that restoration on the creek is actually starting to work, because we're getting a diversity of fungi here.